Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So I just got an email from the guys over at Bullion 77. That's a YouTube channel run by a couple of young guys that are promoting silver and investing in silver. And they ran a fantastic offer during Movember, where if you made a donation of $50 to the Movember charity, sent them a copy of your donation receipt, they would send you a Krugerrand for free. Which I thought was just an amazing thing. Anyway, they sent me an email this afternoon, and apparently they have 2 Krugerrands that haven't been taken up yet. So if you either have made a donation or you would like to make a donation to the Movember charity, go to movember.com.au, make your donation there, get your proof of the fact that you've made the donation, and then email that through to the boys over at Bullion 77. I'll put their email address down in the comments below here, or in the section below, because I don't have it with me right now, but I'll give you the email address that you've got to send it to, and they will send you out a free Krugerrand, which you can't ask for anymore. So look, encourage you to support these guys by doing this. Support Movember, subscribe to their channel, because they've got some really good stuff, and it's really great to see and encourage these young guys getting out there and promoting investments in silver and in precious metals generally. So it's a YouTube channel, is Bullion77, and like I said, make that donation, and I'll put the email in down below for you to send it through to the boys. All right, that's it for now. We'll talk again soon. See ya.